Welcome back to the channel, folks. I'm Jen with slingmods.com, and today we have one of the coolest little gadgets that we've seen in a while. Introducing the DoorMate 2 Garage Door Opener. This thing is tiny. It's only a little larger than a quarter and weighs under 1 ounce. It allows you to open and close 2 different garage doors with the push of a button. It's programmable and compatible with over 90% of the garage doors on the market. It features an LED indicator on the front and is powered by a CR2032 battery that's accessible from the rear. It features an IP65 Water Proof Rating so that it's resistant to both dust and rain and has a multitude of different mounting options. Out of the box, you get the 2-button remote control, a locking tool that allows you to secure the opener into its aluminum base, a programming pin that's used during setup, a piece of double-sided 3M backing tape for those of you that would like to surface mount the opener, an M6 by 1.0 attachment screw that allows you to mount up to things like the Can-Am Spyder Top Cuff or Slingshot Center Dash Post, as well as a 7/8 handlebar adapter. And for those of you with larger handlebar diameters, like Can-Am Spyder owners, we also have a handlebar adapter kit for you as well. Today, we're going to walk you through the programming process of the remote control, show you a comparison test between 2 different brands of garage door openers, and we'll also go over the installation of the various mounting options. Now let's get started.
Locate the Learn button on your garage door opener. On the LiftMaster we tested on, the Learn button was located here. Using the provided safety pin, press and hold the Program button on the remote control until the LED on the front of the remote illuminates. This mode will last for 60 seconds. Locate your garage door opener brand on the included instruction sheet and press the button the number of times that corresponds with your particular garage door opener model. To exit programming mode, use the safety pin to press the Program button once again. Next, press the Learn button on your garage door opener. Then press the remote button you programmed until you hear a click and/or the lights flash on your garage door opener. Lastly, press the button on the remote control to test your handiwork. If you'd like to control a second garage door opener, repeat the programming process for button 2 on the remote. We tested the DoorMate on both a LiftMaster and a Genie garage door opener, and the results were quite different. On our LiftMaster test, the remote control worked from here, and even halfway up the block. However, on our Genie test, the remote was unresponsive from this distance and required us to be within 10 feet of the garage door for success. So please note that the range results will vary depending on your particular garage door opener brand. If you'd like to surface mount your DoorMate to a body panel, we include double-sided 3M VHB backing tape that allows you to do just that. Make sure you clean and prep both the back of the DoorMate housing and the panel you're adhering to prior to installation to ensure maximum adhesion. We include a 7/8 handlebar clamp that's perfect for Ryker owners. Simply spread the clamp around the bar, insert the included nut, then insert the mounting screw through the aluminum base of the DoorMate and thread it into place finger tight to start. Then snug it down with a 4mm Allen wrench. Thread the remote control into the base finger tight to start, then use the included locking tool to snug it down. If you're a Can-Am Spyder owner and you'd like to mount to the handlebars, you'll need our optional handlebar adapter kit to accommodate the larger diameter of the Spyder handlebar. If you've previously installed one of our aluminum top cuffs on your Spyder, we also include an M6 by 1.0 screw so that you can alternatively mount the DoorMate up to the front side of the top cuff. The included mounting screw is also perfect for Slingshot owners running one of our dashboard accessory posts.
Now, if a tiny weather-resistant garage door opener is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com today to grab one for yourself. Feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.